Hey guys, in today's video we will learn how to perform one sample t-test in R. One sample t-test is used to find out if there is a statistical difference between sample mean and an already known hypothesized population mean, say 50. So let me just give you an example and then perform the one sample t-test. So this data consists of information of 200 credit card users who were part of one of the campaign run by a particular bank last month. And now the CEO of that company want to understand, is there statistical difference between the population of these users from 50, right? So 50 is the hypothesized value of the number of transaction or number of times the credit card is used. Now, so in order to do one sample t-test, you use null and alternate hypothesis. Null hypothesis in this case will be a sample mean is equal to 50. Alternate is that sample mean is not equal to 50. Right now we are using two tests. So in order to use one tail test, there is an argument called alternate is equal to, and there you can mention one tail, right? So I'm skipping for that for now. So in order to use t-test, so your function which is present in base R is t.test. First argument is the name of the variable, right? So right now the name of the variable is last month uses, and then the hypothesized or the known population value, which is mu, which is equal to 50, right? Once I execute this, our output will be presented in the R console, right? So your t value, t stats is 16.5, p is less than 0.05. That means that we are rejecting the null hypothesis as p value is less than 0.05, right? And so also your sample estimate is lying between the confidence interval, which is a 95% confidence interval. 63 is lying between 61.6 and 64.7. So in this case we are saying that it is different from 50, right? I hope you like this video. Thank you.